here coming to the signal classification. Apart from the broad classification, we are having sub-classification. Both continuous time signal and discrete time signals are further classified into deterministic and non-deterministic signal, periodic and aperiodic signal, even and odd signal, energy and power signal. So here we will see one by one. First thing, deterministic and non-deterministic signal. So first, if you look into the deterministic signal, here the pattern of the signal is regular, right? And if the pattern is regular, then automatically we can able to characterize that signal in mathematical way. That is with the equation, mathematical equation. So once if you are able to write our signal in a mathematical way or with the equation, then obviously we can able to predict the nature and amplitude of the signal in any point of time. For example, if I am saying here sine wave, here the example is given as sine wave. So x of t is equal to a, capital A, into sine omega t. So a will be the amplitude of our sine waveform signal, and omega is your angular frequency, and t is your time domain parameter, if I am representing my signal in continuous time domain. So in that case, x of y of t is equal to a into sine omega t. So I want to calculate at some particular point of time t, then I have to substitute that t value in my equation. And also with the value of a, I can able to predict the amplitude of my signal. And with everything, here the deterministic signal, the pattern is regular. Regular in the sense it will repeat again and again with the same shape and size, right? That is the meaning. So if I am saying the sine waveform with 1 kilohertz signal, then the same pattern will be repeated again and again till infinity, isn't it? That is the meaning for the deterministic signal. Whereas coming to the non-deterministic signal, the pattern is not regular. It cannot be characterized mathematically. So we cannot able to predict the nature and amplitude of the signal. So the best example for the non-deterministic signal is noise signal or any kind of random signal we can have. So look at this diagram. So here it is a sine waveform. So here this my cycle start at this point. So it is here it is a sine waveform. So from the 0 point it's going, the amplitude goes on increasing and reaching the maximum value, and again it decreases and reaching the maximum value in the negative direction, and again coming back to the 0 position. So this is my one cycle. The same set of signal will be repeated again and again, right? So this is the behavior of this signal. So with respect to time, so at any particular point of time, I can able to predict my signal, what will be my value, what will be my amplitude. So in that way, I can able to predict my signal. This is the beauty of the deterministic signal. And non-deterministic signal is random. You cannot able to predict your signal with respect to time. That is, there is an uncertainty with respect to its value at any point of time. We cannot able to predict that. So these signals cannot be expressed mathematically. So all kinds of noise signal we can bring under this non-deterministic or random signal.